Hi everyone, I'm Randall with Tax Samaritan. Whether you're watching this in the middle of tax season or during the off season, there is one thing that remains true for every U.S. expat. The earlier you look at your tax situation, the more money and stress you can potentially save. Many expats assume that because of the automatic 2-month extension to June 15th, they have plenty of time. But that's a dangerous misconception. Regardless of when you file, any tax owed is still due April 15th to avoid any interest. Waiting until a deadline looms is the fastest way to invite stress. Here's why we encourage a proactive approach all year round. First, qualified professionals, especially enrolled agents who specialize in international tax, see their schedules fill up months in advance. By starting early, you ensure you're working with an expert who has the time to truly understand your unique situation, rather than someone rushing through a mountain of paperwork. Second, document organization is the biggest hurdle. Between foreign bank statements, local tax credits, and W-2s, the paper trail for an expat is complex. Starting now gives you a buffer to track down missing information without the panic. Let's look at 2 situational questions we hear frequently that apply. It matters because of opportunity. When you prepare early, you gain a clear picture of your eligibility for things like IRA deductions, child tax credits, the foreign earned income exclusion, and more. If you wait until the last minute, you lose the opportunity to make strategic financial moves, like funding a retirement account, that could have significantly lowered your tax liability for a previous year. Absolutely. Tax planning isn't a once-a-year event. It's a year-round strategy. At Tax Samaritan, we help clients identify potential issues before they become permanent mistakes on a tax return. It's much better to solve a problem in October than to try to fix it under the pressure of a June deadline. Proactive filing gives you control and eliminates surprises. It turns a potential tax crisis into a simple, manageable process. Whenever you're ready to take the stress out of your expat taxes, head over to TaxSamaritan.com. You can request a quote and even set up a no-charge 30-minute consultation. Let's get you ahead of the curve.